Welcome to Verified Reviews.
Top 10 Best Welding Machines in 2025. Top 1. Triumph 1.5 kilowatts 4-in-1 integrated fiber laser welding machine. 220V single-phase handheld laser welder machine with auto wire, feeder cable length 10 meters for stainless steel, pipe, hardware, etc. Triumph Laser, we have USA stock and can ship you by local truck next day after you ordered, 2 to 5 day to your door, all cost covered. You never have to wait for long time and never have customs clearance issue. This type laser welder is small enough, only 25 inches HX13WX25L, for you to carry and work at where. The welding gun is light and flexible, which can realize welding of any part of the workpiece. You are not easy to fatigue after a long working time. And the auto wire, feeder, smart control panel will make you free for hard welding jobs. 4-in-1 is the extinguish from us. With Triumph laser welding machine, you can weld, clean rust, and clean welding seam, even you can simply cut. And it's applicable to various complex welds and various devices, but welding, lap welding, overlap welding, T-welding, nail welding, plug welding. Top 2. Miller 907757 Multimatic 220 ACDC Multiprocess Welder, Versatile Multiprocess MIG, Flux-Cored and TIG Welder Machine, Portable, Welding Machine with MIG Gun, TIG Torch and Multi-Voltage Plug 120V and 240V. All-in-one capability. Enjoy the freedom to weld any process and take on more projects with the Miller 907757 Multimatic 220 ACDC Multiprocess Welder. Tackle Flux-Cored, MIG, stick and TIG processes like a champ with one powerful and easy-to-use Miller welder machine. Intuitive welding machines, with quick tech. Our multi-process MIG welder automatically determines polarity, switches to the right process and can recall the settings from your last used process, saving you time and eliminating the need for manual adjustments. Effortless setup and precision welding. Our multi-process TIG welders Auto Set Elite and Pro Set features help streamline setup and eliminates the guesswork when setting weld parameters, reducing guesswork for consistent and high-quality welds to improve your job efficiency. Top 3. Weldpro Omni 210 Dual Voltage 110V/220V ACDC Multiprocess Welder MIG Flux-Core Stick ACDC High Frequency TIG with Pulsar and Aluminum Balance Frequency Control 3-year warranty welding machine. All-in-one welding machine. 200 amp TIG ACDC High Frequency AC, High Frequency DC welding machine. DC MIG FCAW, Flux MIG, Gas MIG welding machine, MIG wire spool capacity up to 12 pounds. 200 ADC stick MMA, welding amperage range from 20-200A, duty cycle 30% at 200A. Aluminum spool gun capable. Connect the Weldpro SB8 spool gun, sold separately, flip a switch, and you are ready for aluminum MIG welding. TIG 200A ACDC Professional Welder. ACTIG features high-frequency start with balance, frequency, and full pulse controls, as well as square and sine wave shape options. DCTIG features high-frequency or lift arc starting, with full pulse controls. CK17 Worldwide Superflex TIG Torch. Excellent professional design rocker-style foot pedal without annoying intermediate amperage control. Top 4. YESWELDER Plasma Cutter Welder Combo Gas MIG Gasless MIG Lift TIG Stick Cut 5-in-1 Welding Machine FIRSTESS MP200 Multiprocess Welder. Gas MIG Gasless MIG Lift TIG Stick Cut 5-in-1 Welder, can take up to 0.9mm, 0.035 MIG solid wire, gas MIG, and 0.9mm, 0.035 MIG flux wire, gasless MIG. Apply to D100/D200 rolls, 10 pounds, of MIG wire. Ideal for 7018/6011/6010 electrode. Smart memory and system reset. Top 5. ARCCAPTAIN 250A MIG Welder, 110V 220V Gas MIG Gasless Flux-Cored MIG Stick Lift TIG Spool Gun Spot 6-in-1 Welding Machine, Aluminum Welding Machine Professional Welder Machine with large LED display. Professional 6-inch-1 welder, ARCCAPTAIN 250 amps welding machine that included gas MIG/Flux-Cored MIG/Lift TIG/MMA/spot/spool gun. Meet your different requirements, made to buy extra lift TIG torch and spill gun. Suitable for welding mild steel, carbon steel, stainless steel and aluminum. Digital welding machine, the Flux-Cored welder features a fully digital MCU and a high-integrity circuit design, which improves welding stability and performance. The intelligent fan speeds up heat dissipation and extends the service life of the machine. The MIG welder features some special functions that included adaptive crater, burn back adjustment and pre-flow post-flow, which improve your welding efficiency. Top 6. Forni 271 Easy Weld 140 MP Multiprocess Welder, versatile 3-inch-1 welding machine for MIG, DCTIG, and stick welding application. Versatile functionality. The 140 MP is a 3-inch-1 stick MIG DCTIG machine, offering flexibility for a variety of projects. Effortless and precise controls. The 140 MP offers a simple start feature and 3-position switch for quick process changes. Infinite voltage and wire feed speed adjustments allow for dialing in the perfect weld. Welder includes 10-foot MIG gun, 8-foot electrode holder, 8-foot ground clamp, 20 amp 15 AM adapter and one additional .030-inch contact tip. Constructed with an all-metal case, built tough to take on the day-to-day, all you need to operate this machine is a 120-volt power source. Top 7. Lincoln Electric Power MIG 211i MIG Welder K6080-1. Simple user interface, 7-segment display with basic knob controls. Process capabilities, MIG, Flux-Cored and spill gun. Dual input voltage, 120V and 230V inputs so you can plug into any common power supply. Ergonomic case, sleek and robust case design with multiple lift points for ease of mobility around the shop. Lightweight and portable, only 41 pounds, robust and reliable wire drive, ensures proper and consistent feeding for optimal welding experience. Includes Magnum Pro 100L welding gun for increased comfort, enhanced grip, reduced hand fatigue and improved control. Top 8. ARCCAPTAIN 130A MIG Welder, 110V Flux-Cored MIG Welder Lift TIG Stick 3-in-1 welding machine with Synergy, IGBT inverter, portable gasless welder equipment with welding gun and 2 pounds welding wire. Synergic control, the recommended current and wire feeding speed will be automatically matched after selected diameter of the welding wire. You can choose .030-.035/.040 Flux-Cored wire. The MIG welder is easier for beginners or those that are learning to weld, and want to make small repairs around the house. 3-inch-1 welder, 3 welding modes Flux-Cored gasless MIG/Lift TIG/MMA. Meet your different requirements, made to buy extra lift TIG, torch. Adjust the current and 10-speed variable feed controls for perfectly managed Flux-Cored welding of carbon steel, stainless or even thicker steel, ideal for home DIY, outdoor repairs, rusty metal, farm and road equipment, and maintenance and repairs. Top 9. 165A MIG Welder, 110V/220V Dual Voltage Gasless Flux-Cored MIG Welder Lift TIG Stick 3-in-1 Synergic MIG 16511 General Welding Machine, Flux Solid Welder Digital Screen Display. 3-inch-1 welder, the MIG 165 MIG Welder has multi-function for gasless MIG, Lift TIG and stick. Maximum current is 165 amps, supporting gasless Flux-Cored MIG wire and solid MIG wire, and can use 0.030-/0.035/0.040 Flux-Cored wire size, 0.030-inch solid wire size. The Flux-Cored welder excels in welding stainless steel, carbon steel, and even thicker steel, meeting diverse welding needs. Digital screen display, we designed this MIG welding machine with full new technology. MIG Welder 110V/220V with LED digital screen, display voltage, current, and other parameters. You do not need to remove the helmet to assess the equipment status. You can make real-time adjustments, enhancing efficiency and accuracy. Top 10 AWT MIG welding machine, 160A 5-in-1 plasma cutter welder combo HFTIG gas MIG flux MIG stick welding, 110/220V dual voltage, multi-process welder MIG 88-160M. 5-inch-1 multifunction welder. The AWT welder offers 5 processes: flux MIG, gas MIG, HFTIG, plasma cutting, and stick welding, providing a complete solution for various welding and cutting applications. With 110/220V dual voltage, MIG welder perfect for home DIY, farm work and construction sites. MIG synergic control. Equipped with a built-in synergic control system, it automatically adjusts the recommended current and wire feed speed according to the selected wire diameter and gas type. This simplified operation makes it incredibly user-friendly, enabling even beginners to easily achieve professional quality results. TIG welding. The high-frequency HFTIG mode enables non-contact arc ignition, offering enhanced precision and reducing the risk of contamination. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and subscribe our channel.